Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. So today I'm showing you 3 new hairstyles and probably 3 of my newest favorite hairstyles. Okay, so look 1. First, I have to moisturize my hair. I use a spray bottle with just water in it and spray it all over my head to get my curls wet and everything moving. Next, I take some coconut oil. I love coconut oil. It makes my hair so soft and it just feels so great. It's easy to comb through. I feel like everybody needs to try coconut oil. If you haven't yet, please get yourself some coconut oil. It will change your life. So I just put some coconut oil in my hair, work it through. Next, I take a wide tooth comb and just start combing through my hair, getting any knots, any tangles out. Next, I take my hair extensions. Okay, I used my hair extensions before in my last hair video, and I said that they are called My Given Hair. That was a mistake. They're called Her Given Hair. It's a hair extension company. I love them. They're great. So I'm going to use them again for this look. I don't use that many for this look. I use about 2 or 3 maybe, because I already have so much hair. Most of it will be out. I just need hair extensions for a little bit extra length and volume in my hair. So I just part as usual, clip them in, and keep doing that. Okay, so I am done with my extensions. The rest of my hair is basically what I need to get to look like the rest of my hair. I need to moisturize it, I need to comb it out, I need to fluff it in and mix it in with the extensions so it looks perfect. Now I'm going to part my hair on the side for the twist, but first I'm going to take some edge control to control my edges. And then I take a really harsh brush. It's a really hard, and this really just sleeks on my edges, controls them, you know, gets them in formation. And then I twist on the side of my head and pin it with a bobby pin, and then we're going to do the same thing to the other side. And I'm just going to take some more edge control to comb down my baby hairs with my ugly toothbrush edge comb. We all have them. And that's it for my first look. I really love this one. It's so cute, so fun and playful. And now for look 2. For look 2, I'm just going to put my hair into a bun on the center of my head, or you could even do it even higher up than I did. I take some edge control, put it throughout my whole entire head because I really need to have my hair nice and slick back, no frizziness. I take that brush and brush down my hair to make sure we have no flyaways, everything is nice and smooth. Next, I take a rubber band, just put my hair up into a nice, sleek, tight bun. It must be tight, but not too tight. You don't want to pull on your edges, but make sure it's comfortable enough, but it looks nice and tight. Next, I take some bobby pins and I pin down my bun. I need my bun to be as flat as possible for this look. We do not want a big bun sticking out. It's going to ruin the illusion. Now I take some synthetic hair. I buy this from Sally's Beauty Supply store. Honestly, it costs like $5. It's not that expensive. And I just pin this. I pin all of it. I use all of it for my hair. I split it in half and pin it on top of my head. and then I need to braid it. So I just part it into 3s and I go ahead and braid the whole thing. And when I'm done with the braid, I like to pull it apart just to make it appear larger and a little bit more effortless. And that's it for look number 2. You could add little accessories in your hair if you want, it's optional. But now for look number 3. I am taking out this synthetic hair and I'm left with my bun, and so I'm just taking one of my hair extensions, clipping it in upside down. Very important so you don't see the track. I just work it over my bun upside down and down to the front of my hair. I pin the front to get fake bangs. And that's it. You could cut it to the length that you need. And that's my 3rd look. So easy. I think this one might be my fave. Let me know down in the comments which one was your fave. And thank you guys so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. And we will see you in the next one. Bye!